'cause you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings 'cause I know what's best for me. But short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how you've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone I don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain. I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off when I'm sick, and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. Wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always will. From the day we met, I'll be with you. The first time you said that you love me too. Best without you, I'm followed out. So I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but it's what it's all about.
Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah, yeah. Talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny. No matter what you say, their eyes don't show light away.